Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the MikeMediwa.com. Today I have another amazing software for you. This one is called EverHosting, and in a nutshell, it's an application, very ultra fast application that helps your customers create web hosting services and of course domains at a very low one-time price. That means they will be able to extend customer services to customers regarding web hosting and domains purchase, and of course these are unlimited, and of course this will definitely help your customers be able to extend such services to others as well. It's an amazing product from Venkatesh Kumar, and is going live today, the 17th of October 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time. And of course, at any time you decide to buy this product, that first link below in my description area will bring you to this sales page where you pick up a copy of this using this very link. And of course, I will also show you the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you, including the pricing for this product, which are going to actually help you incentivize your ability to make money online. I have also access to the dashboard area of this EverHosting application from Venkatesh Kumar, and of course I will also encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. Definitely I do these reviews every other day to bring out products that are going to help you make money online. Now let's see what the product says it's going to do for you. Some of the benefits: with this very application, you get unlimited hosting for a low one-time price, no monthly fees ever, and beginners are of course able to use this very application because it has this ability to get super fast hosting, and you can save up to $1,000 a year from all the other subscriptions you have, and you don't need any special technical skills, and of course it is easy to use. That's why newbies can use it. It's ultra high servers, host unlimited web hosting, 24/7 support included, and no restrictions or limitations, and you have 30-day money back guarantee on this product. In case it works for you or it doesn't, you will be able to get your refund fully. Now let's see if there are anything of importance that I will read, otherwise I will leave the rest of the review to you. Step 1 will be to purchase this product and log into this very dashboard area where you will be able to get the buttons you need to get the job done for you. And you have also step 2, you choose your preferred website deployment application, and then you use this application's one-click function within the user-friendly control panel, which I showed you earlier, and it has 100% SSL encryption included to ensure secure and safe data within the high-speed servers that is provided by this software. You also have step 3, access and control your website from anywhere you are on the world. So that means you'll be able to control anything you are doing from whatever area of this globe where you have access to the internet. Now look at some of the results that you have. Latest performance for report for such a website that is created, 1.2 seconds page speed, and you have 1.5 seconds page speed for this very one. These are some of the performance for this very application for the sites it hosts for others and all that. So you see, you have a lot of things to gain, and these are some of the expenses that you actually avoid from some of these web host platforms like Hosting, Bluehost, and the rest of them. So you are able to do away with this, and at the same time create an agency where you host sites for your customers and can sell this product to them to be able to do the same on their own. So that's why I like this one that much. And here are some of the very testimonials from John Newman and Ves Crioyo, and of course Sachin Sakumaran. These are all verified EverHosting user beta testers. Okay, so they are reviewing the product there with their testimonials, and that you can read at your own convenience when you arrive here at the sales page. Now let us just take a look at the let's see if this is of any importance. Okay, because with this very application, compared with others where you pay a lot of money for, is being able to host unlimited, high converting, profitable websites, maximize your business growth by saving up to $1,000 a year. These are some of the benefits. More money to invest in your other businesses, and you have fast and reliable hosting for users and business. Pay one small fee to get the infinite high-speed hosting, and you get access to their customizable cloud hosting platforms. Lots of fast one-click installation apps that you can use to create and host even more profitable websites, and it is 100% safe with an SSL encryption connection, and you can get complete access to over your websites with 100% uptime, maximum speed loading, and free SSL licenses that will bring you even more traffic. Okay, so zero risk hosting, one-time payment, EverHosting access. So those are some of the benefits and takes that you can get from this very sales page when you arrive here. And therefore, maybe this is the time you consider it and see if it is going to be for you. I will leave the rest of the review of the very sales page for you so that you do so at your convenience. Now look at the very dashboard area that I'm privileged to get. Here are the websites and code that have already been actually set up using the different IP addresses. And now you see the section for CWP setting. This is cron tab, and here you have the PHP selector, you have the process list, mode security, edit PHP in, and of course statistics and notifications. On file management, you have file system log, backup, fix account issues, antivirus scan, directory protection, file manager, disk usage, and FTP account and log viewer. So you have everything. These are the domains, the redirects, and you have also the subdomains and auto SSL and custom SSL. And you have everything that you need actually to create a business agency where you are hosting websites for others and getting domains extended to them. I mean, this is the product you may consider to get. This is the database where you have everything you need on the database: an email account, sequencing and autoresponders, email filters, and email importer, and email routing, and of course email forwarders. Everything is fully represented here, and you have the DNS functions here, and you have the add-ons, script installed, and Site Pro website builder, and so many things. I mean, it reminds me of WordPress, looking at the dashboard alone. Well, I will leave the very link to the demo video of this very product in my description, so that you see if you can take a look at that, because it's not ready yet, so I can't play it right now. I will leave the link there for you. Now let's see the very pricing for this amazing product for EverHosting from Venkatesh Kumar. The very front end goes for $17, which gives you access to this dashboard, and you'll be able to actually get your job done there. And the OTO number 1 is the unlimited version, which means everything is basically unlimited, and it goes for $32. OTO number 2 is the agency, which I talked about, because it gives you the ability to create an agency business for yourself, where you host websites for people and sell domains to them. You have also that for $37. You have the OTO number 3, which is the done for you setup. It goes for $197. In this case, you don't need to even have any kind of skill whatsoever. You don't need to copy and paste. The team of this very launch is going to set up everything for you, and then you stay back and make your profits. Now you have the OTO number 4, AI profits, goes for $37. You have OTO number 5, which is the infinite traffic, goes for $47. That means unlimited traffic to your websites. You could be an affiliate marketing website, you could be a blog, it could be product, physical product deliveries and all that. Anything you want on any niche whatsoever, you have unlimited traffic. And you have OTO number 6 for Fortune 500, that goes for $27. OTO number 7 is the reseller, which gives you the reseller rights to this product, and it goes for $67. And those are the very pricing for this very EverHosting product. And of course, like I told you, it's going live today, the 17th of October 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time. Now let's see the bonuses that I have for you. The ultimate multi-level marketing secret is a PDF compilation of strategies that are going to help you develop your business exponentially. You have number 2 as the list building expert, where you learn how to become an expert in email marketing, and that means you'll be able to make money on demand by sending newsletters to your subscriber list, and of course that means getting the traffic to your offers and making money online. And the internet marketing fast start is number 3. You have affiliate marketing secrets, very important if you want to affiliate market for products on digital or physical or otherwise. Now you have number 6 as chatbot marketing mastery, and the 30-day to illegal email list ebook. You have also this building the perfect sales funnel as number 7, blogging for profits number 8, email list building blueprint, and copywriting crackdown. These are amazing ebooks and PDF trainings, and of course softwares that are going to help you make a lot of headway online. And with that, we will definitely find a way to come to the end of this very review. I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notifications, and I'll be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the MikeMadiwa.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me guys, from here, it's goodbye.